like here's the bracket. Make sure you put it about the right way, and gotta be careful with this because I don't want to scratch up the wall. You know? I can put this in and kind of get it started because I've already kind of preset those. Okay, so hold that up there. I'm doing this project by myself. If you have somebody to help you, that'll be good too. They can watch you, you can watch them. Between the two of you, hopefully you don't screw up. I'm not going to tighten those yet. I'm going to kind of get them started. I'm going to get all these three up here. I had all these holes lined up pretty straight, and I'm going to take my level and kind of look at it a little bit. But if you get it, and if it's not 100% perfect on being level, plumb means level but straight up and down. So if I say plumb, you'll know what that means from now on. This should be pretty close to level, but before I tighten it down, I'm just going to kind of hold my level up here and take a look at it. And it looks like this top edge needs to go over, or the bottom needs to go that way a little bit. So let's see if I got a little bit of a slop here. Yeah, I got a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of push that over as much as I can. I want to try to not get my grubbies all over the wall, but if I do, I can wipe that off. Okay, now I can tighten this up. Pull that one over. Okay, now I can do the middle one. You want these snug. You don't want to go so far and say the tighter the better, because trust me, you go too tight on these, you could actually snap and twist the head right off of a lag bolt. I didn't know it was possible until I did it one day. And you do that, and there's not much you can do about putting another bolt in, you know what I mean? You just want it snug. Okay? Now, I checked that with the level and see what's up with that. That's right on. Beautiful. Now if yours is not perfectly level, let's say it's off a little bit, don't fret. You don't have to have that bracket 100% plumb, because once we install the TV on here and it hangs, this bracket assembly, we can adjust it. There's adjustments, there'll be adjustments, I gotta look at that. There's an adjustment that you can swivel it and you can line the TV up exactly level. Did you know that? So that's how it's going to work. You see, the actual center of the TV is right here. Okay? But you can pull it, you know, this swivels out like this, you can pull it out like that. You could have the center of the TV over here if you want. Way over here, you can tilt that at an angle and have your TV kind of coming out this way. So there's lots of things you can do with this bracket assembly. You can slide it over there like that, whatever. lots of different options, you know?